Alright, you guys, I am doing a get ready with me for a wedding. Cody is in a wedding, and so he has his suit picked out that he has to wear. So we're gonna do a get ready for with us for the wedding tonight. I'm just wearing a dress and some heels that I'll show you when I put it on. So let's go check in with Cody and see what he's wearing. Hello. So Cody and I, like I said, are doing a get ready with us. So I clearly can't get out of bed.
I'm sorry.
I am loving what you're wearing at the moment.
Yeah,
Let's just H&M sweatshorts.
I got this hoodie from H&M too.
Also H&M hoodie and then some Nike sneaks. So I'm getting him
Very comfortable right now.
into the whole neutral gang. So welcome to the club.
I'm all about the comfort.
I'm all about the neutrals. It's a happy medium. So yeah, this I want to say was like $24 from H&M, and those shorts from H&M linked below. Okay, so what are you wearing tonight for the wedding?
So I will go ahead and get that out.
So he's gonna be in the wedding.
All right. Yes. So we have a bolo tie that the guy who's getting married, he gave us a bolo tie to wear tonight.
Yes,
with our suit,
the wedding is
nice.
kind of more like country western,
more like
rusticy.
Yeah.
And then these are the groomsmen suits.
Yes. So we will get this out, get ready.
So they're wearing gray. Ooh.
So it looks sharp. I mean, to me it looks sharp. So we
Yeah, it looks good.
The gray vest, and then we have a white button up to go underneath.
And white pants.
And
then what?
We have.
Oh, not white pants? Are they khaki?
Not white pants. They are gray.
Oh, that's what I meant. Gray pants.
They're gray, which I like this color gray. I like the lighter color with the just that whole look.
And then show the shoes that y'all are wearing.
And the groomsmen are wearing boots, and any kind of brown boot. So these are the Old Faithfuls that I'm bringing out.
Got the boots out. So
Got the boots.
I'll show y'all. This is a before of Cody. Ta-da. And this is before of me. I'm wearing a Nike like quarter zip athletic top and some Adidas like white shorts. And then I'll show you the dress that I'm going to be wearing in a little bit, but first I gotta do my hair and makeup. So let's get into it. Alrighty, so I'm going to start with my makeup. I like to do my hair last because I like it to be fresh and like the last thing that I do, and then I touch it up before I go out the door because humidity causes my hair to frizz up like insane. So I always do my makeup first. Got my makeup bag here. So I've still just been using my tinted moisturizer and just covering up my spots with a concealer. So I'm still using my Elastin Hydro Tint tinted moisturizer. I do 2 pumps of this all over my face and I'm good to go. So that's what we're gonna do.
Your friends want you every time I call. I know, you know, I've done nothing wrong. You can't help but try to write me off.
Okay, now that I have it all over my face, I take my Shape Tape. I actually really need to get a new one of these because I've had this forever and I feel like there's just bacteria growing in it and it's disgusting. But it's the only concealer I have at the moment. And I just had to throw away my Beauty Blender sponge, so I've just been using my finger. Don't worry, I wash my hands and I just dab it under my eyes.
You question my intentions. I got a reputation, but you made me want to change it. Yeah, you make me want to prove it. You make me want.
I'm gonna take my blush that I use pretty much every time I do my makeup, and it's the Glossier Cloud Paint. We're kind of transitioning now into some colder weather, so I need to find some good powdered foundations because I don't like being super dewy in the winter. But I still love my cloud paint. This is the color Storm, so it's a deep berry color, but it goes on really well.
I got a reputation, but You made me wanna change it, yeah. You make me wanna prove it.
I'm gonna do highlight last. So I'm gonna do some shadow, nothing crazy. I'm gonna take my great Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsessions. It's more of a fall palette, but I'm pretty sure that I wear this all year round. And I'm going to put this like orangey brown color in the crease.
I want to show you I want you, but I can feel that you're afraid.
Eyeshadow brush and do the gold color, the gold gray color on my lid.
You question my intention. I got a reputation, but you made me wanna change it. You make me want.
Blend that again. Then I'm going to take kind of the darker red auburn color and just do a little bit of that on the outside.
You make me wanna prove it. You make me wanna prove it.
My mama told me, son, always be a good boy.
Now I'm taking that cream color and then putting this in the brow bone as well as blending it with the orangey tones. Alright, now I don't really wear eyeliner or like own eyeliner, so I just put on my mascara. This is the Red Aspen Pump It Up Maggie mascara. The last time I checked a couple months ago, they were sold out, but it is my absolute favorite mascara in the world. I'm almost out, so that's sad. But I was gifted this just for fun to try, nothing like sponsored. They just gifted it to me and I ended up loving it, and it's like my daily mascara that I use. But it makes my lashes so long.
Can't blame it all on her. I wanna run away. It's not.
Highlight from MAC. I've had this for years. Are you doing push-ups in the mirror?
Doing squats.
Squats, yeah. I've had this one for years and just started using it again. I kind of forgot about it and it's so nice. It lasts such a long time. I've had this probably for 5 years. Longer actually, probably like 10 years. So it's probably expired, but it's my absolute favorite highlight.
Girl, you play with the fire. No matter what I do, so many times I did it right. It's always the same in the end. No matter what I do, so many times I did it right.
Okay. I do like a little bit of brow. My brows are like nothing special. I actually really need to maintain them a little bit, but I'm trying to get them to grow out fluffier. So I kind of just like fill them in a little bit with this brow gel from Anastasia. It's literally just Anastasia by Beverly Hills brow gel. And I just like, I'm pretty sure I'm out of it, but I feel like it still does something. Nothing bougie. And then my last thing I do are lips, but I'm gonna do my hair and get dressed before I put my lippies on. But I'm going to be wearing Tarte of the Sea Rum Punch with a NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. So Cody needs to come in here and shower, so I'm gonna go out there and do my hair, and yeah. All right, obviously haven't done my hair yet, but I wanted to show you guys what I'm wearing. So this dress is from, oh, I think it's from Chic Wish maybe. So I'm wearing this, and then I'm also wearing the same brown heels that I wore last night, so I'll show you that once I'm fully dressed. So I'm going to curl my hair. I'm doing the same curling hair routine that I posted before, so I'll have the link below so you can go check out what I do. So I'm just going to show you my hair and I'm going to have it sped up, so I'm not going to explain what I'm doing. If you want to know step by step, then go check out the video. But here we go.
Yeah. Underdog Central.
Let's do it. Best believe I ain't playing. At the top where we staying. Cats is looking archaic. Playing games, we arcade them. I'm more fly than cicadas. Watch the flow, watch the cadence. Alpha Banks, my name is. New Orleans, what I'm claiming. I step in, they like, damn, dawg. We gotta switch up the plan, dawg. He is not what we playing for. Team sports, so we playing ball. Get game and that stay cold. Not a lot that we pay for. Closet looking like a shopping mall. Don't take much for me to change clothes, but I'm off that. I get my lyrical car crash.
All right, hair is done. I just like brushed out the curls and did like voluminous waves. So now I'm gonna put on my lip products using the Tarte of the Sea and then the butter gloss. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Honestly, it's kind of annoying like wearing lip products right now when you have to wear a mask because you like don't even see them. Got that. And then this is like my all-time favorite lip gloss at the moment. It's like perfect nude. Yeah, we'll tell her next time. We are ready to go. Cody's looking fine as hell.
Well, you're looking beautiful yourself.
You were about to say sexy. All right, we're gonna finish our TikTok. I'll post it here for y'all to see. Also go check out our TikTok and we will see you guys at the wedding.
Peace.
All right, well, I'm in Cody's truck by myself because he had to be here 2 hours early so the groomsmen could take photos. And so I decided to sit in the car instead of inside the church because they require to wear masks. So I figured I'd rather sit in here for 2 hours instead of the church. But I'm about to go in. I ended up getting Chick-fil-A. If you follow me on Instagram, then I took a poll if I should stay here for an hour 45 and not get Chick-fil-A, or if I should go and get Chick-fil-A and come back and eat it. Because we ate breakfast, but we won't be eating dinner until the reception tonight. So like 7 o'clock, and it was 3:30. So decided to get Chick-fil-A. But I think I'm about to go in. It starts in 30 minutes, so I'm just waiting it out for as long as possible. You know the struggle when you have like a full face of makeup on and then you have to wear a mask. I should have just put makeup on the top half of my face. Okay, well, about to go in. See you guys later.